Hello, friends. Welcome and welcome back to Mrs. G's Living, where we discuss fashion, styling, beauty, and much more. So please consider subscribing and joining our community. Of course, when Rihanna dropped Fenty hair, I was intrigued and I wanted to try it. Look at the curls. And look at the edges. It's like, what magic? Riri, what did you do? It's like it laid them 4C edges down. Look at it. Human hair, look at it. Fenty hair, the rich one, moisture repair shampoo. So it's supposed to hydrate, replenish, strong strands, start here. So let's see. I do love the packaging. Very sleek, very contemporary. Not plastic or high quality plastic. So it's a clear consistency like most shampoos. Oh, it has a sweet smell to it. So we're going to try it on my braids because I just put them in and Rihanna is a billionaire. I am not. And Rihanna knows it's braiding season. And I have yet to see anybody use any of these products on, human hair braids. So we're going to be the first to do it. When I take out these braids, then I'll use it in my hair. But so far, I love the smell of it. Get back there. Okay, we're going to wash it out. But look how okay, human hair, come through. So, of course, we're going to go a second time around. Like, it smells like spring and summer. It's a sweet, a fresh smell, not overpowering, not fragrancy, just enough. Because some people are allergic to the smell. So my first wash, the first wash you can't really tell, but it's the second wash. So it's lathering great. It feels like, I'm gonna be honest with you, it feels like a more hydrating shampoo, not a clarifying shampoo, which I appreciate because the only time I honestly use clarifying shampoos is after I've kept in a protective style for a while, and if I have a lot of buildup. But otherwise, I'm gonna be honest with you, I prefer hydrating shampoos over clarifying shampoos. Now, if you want to know how I did these braids, a tutorial. Oh my God, it smells amazing because it's a light, fresh. Like I'm a type of person that if a product has too much of a fragrance, especially if it's a fragrance that I can't tolerate, I will not buy it. So it's just enough fragrance. It is shampoo and lathering well. Now the bottle alone is giving luxury. But we knew Riri wasn't going to come out with no old BS. Okay, so I'm going to get the back because I have an undercut back there. Yeah, let me show you my undercut. I have yet to decide whether I want to shave it off and start afresh, or I want to maintain keeping it growing. But oh my God. This feels like luxury. Like it feels like a spa day. Like, when you go to a spa and they have those light fragrances, it's not overpowering. I love it. So this is how, let me just get it to my end so you can see the full effect. Because I have yet to see anybody use these products on braids. Yeah, I'm going to use it on my 4C here once these braids come out. But I just put these braids in. And I remember seeing this girl when Sacred came out. She had her braids in for 3 days, and then Sacred came out and she took her braids out. Oh no, ma'am. And I did these braids myself, but oh no, ma'am. Absolutely not. Like, kudos to her, but nah. Because these people are billionaires. And Rihanna know it's braid season. It's hot. Ain't nobody trying to do their hair. Ain't nobody trying to put wigs on. Ain't nobody. Look. Stop it. Rihanna will understand. But okay, so far so good. Right now, if I had to, let me wash it out before I give my rating. Let me wash it out before I rate it. Okay, that feels, my hair feels clean. Okay, feels amazing. My scalp feels clean, and look how the human hair is popping. And this was some human hair from the beauty supply store as well as Amazon that I was just like, I don't know. Says human hair, but you know how they be mixing up, putting human hair and synthetic hair together. And I had to, when I went to the beauty supply store, I was like, do not give me a blend. Okay. So that was amazing. If I had to rate this, I would give it 4.5. Like, this was good. The rich one, she named it correctly. So now I didn't buy the conditioner. Like me, I am trying to phase out conditioners because I'm like, I much prefer deep conditioners. So this is the deep conditioner. Just look at the packaging. Like, real thought went into this packaging. I love that it is not a pump. It is dig your hand in. I wish they had shampoos. I wish they would start making shampoos like this, because I prefer that. Okay. Oh, ooh. Okay. So that's how it looks. Once again, a light, fresh, airy smell. Smells of roses. It smells amazing. But you know, whenever you hear anybody compliment Rihanna, it's always about how she smells. So I expect nothing else. It smells like money. Money, 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 money. It smells, you see, I'm trying to put like a scent to it. Like, it's woodsy, mahogany, but light. I love it. Okay, so let's put it through the hair. See how it's gonna react. Let me get it at the tip of my real hair, because my real hair is the one that needs conditioning, deep conditioning, and my edges. The packaging, 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5 just for the packaging. And I love when deep conditioners like are thick but not overly thick, because I've had some deep conditioners that were just, I know you're supposed to deep condition, but you shouldn't be like cement, in my opinion. I love about trying it with my braids. Like, if this was my 4C hair be all over the tub, hair be on the shower walls, hair be everywhere. So I'm trying to get the deep conditioning on my natural hair in between the braids. That's when I used to do my braids back in the days. I wouldn't reuse hair. I really didn't wash it and reuse it. But the price of these hair, I would just get new packs. But the price of these hairs nowadays, yeah, I'm gonna have to reuse. I'm gonna really have to reuse. So this is how it looks. Get a close up. Put my shower cap on and do my little 1-2 spa days. And I'll be back. Finished doing my little shower routine. Oh, my hair feels amazing. It feels amazing. So let's wash it out. It feels amazing. All right, Riri. Let's go wash this out. felt amazing. I would give deep conditioner 5 out of 5. Currently with these braids in, like, it was giving spa, relaxation. And I ain't got a lot of hair out or hair down the drain. All right now, Riri. All right now, me. But, you know, remember my skills in braiding. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Let me show you how it's looking. The human hair curls is popping though. The human hair curls is popping. Oh, okay. Okay, so now come with me to the bathroom. Oh yeah. I couldn't help myself. Okay. Boom. I couldn't help myself. Let's go. We are back from the wash day, and I only have one other product. So this is how my hair is looking. The curls are popping. My hair feels, the braids feel soft, lightweight, manageable. So, you know, I feel like, if I haven't said this already, I feel like she really missed a niche. I feel like she missed the market by not offering travel sizes. Her and who else? Her and Tabitha Brown I would think that, you know, they should consider. I'm not telling anybody to do what to do with their company, but I would definitely consider, you know, offering travel size, because travel sizes are not only a way for people to sample the product, but most people are going on vacation. And if you're anything like me, I do not like to buy other bottles to put other items in. I would rather it just come like that. So come in a smaller size. So, and then if I'm the average consumer, because I don't receive any PR packages, I'm not on that level yet. So I'm buying everything out of pocket. I only bought the necessities, meaning the shampoo, the conditioner, and I was intrigued by the edge control. Everything else, I was like, no, I'm not paying that much. No, I'm not buying that. Especially because it's full sizes. If I don't like it, then I'm stuck with using it for a few months or giving it away. So I really feel like she missed the market with not offering travel size. So her, as well as Tabitha, should definitely consider, you know, rolling out the travel size. So my hair, so because she doesn't have travel size, I didn't buy anything else. So I'm actually going to use the leave-in conditioner from Amika and just spray that in my hair. Some oil, Tia's oil, because it's more lightweight. I'm gonna use some mousse. Next item that I purchased from her was this controlling type hair thickening edge control gel. I was intrigued, not only because it's an edge control, I was intrigued by the hair thickening edge control, which I haven't seen many of that. So this is the packaging. I just love her packaging. I just feel like it's very sleek. But you would love to keep this on your dresser because it's aesthetically pleasing. So look at that. Now, she had an edge control brush, but I'm not paying $13 for some edge control brush unless somebody can tell me it does something different than this one that I keep getting free when I buy wigs. I'm not purchasing it. So this is how it looks. It's brown. Oh, I thought it would be more tacky. It's not tacky at all. Like, I thought it was gonna be like some Gorilla gel. Now me, I ain't got a lot of baby hair, so we're gonna do what we can. I'm making a mirror cause I'm gonna need something. Okay. All right. It's slicking down my 4C here. Y'all see that? Wait, let me move my. Y'all see that? It's slicking down a little 4C here. All right now. But it's more of a jam consistency. I wonder if it dries up hard. It's getting every little bit of, y'all see that? Cause my baby here be struggling. Look at that. Comb it down. Okay, okay, okay. I see you, Ree. This is how I usually do it. All right, Ree. All right, Ree. Wait, come on, don't do that to me. Oh my God, I love it. This in itself. Oh my God. Look at that. Y'all see that? And I got struggling baby hairs. Like, look at that. And it's tacky, but not, I feel like it's drying down, but it's keeping the hair in place. And if it does what it says it does, like growing, she took this on the edge control. Look at that. Y'all, let me wipe off my mirror because y'all not seeing what I'm seeing. That is amazing. I love it. 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. So this is what we're working with. I'm Ree. All right now, Ree. Based on this, I kind of want to try the other styling products. Like, look, it got my 4C girlies. This may be for us. Because you know all edge controls ain't made the same. This may be for us. Now I feel like now it's tacky. But then again, I'm sweating. So far, the shampoo, 4.5. The deep conditioner, 5. This edge control, so far, I'm going to give it 4.5. I'm going to see how it dry. I'm going to see when I go back into the AC, how it dry. But so far, so good. All right now, Ree. Now, only if she came out with travel size, she'd be killing the market at this point. I would recommend, if you have some money to spend, and it's not a hardship for you, and you are, because to me, shampoos and conditioners, you can find more affordable ones that are going to do the same job. So if you're like me, who just loves to try new things, or my hair tends to get used to things that I have to keep switching it up. The same thing as far as like my cosmetics, my skincare routine. When my hair gets used to something, it stops working. So I like to switch it up. So if this is something you want to try, I would recommend it. I would recommend the 3 items that I got so far. Did y'all not see the edge? Look at that. Let me feel it still. And it's not like, maybe because I'm sweating, it's not that Gorilla Gel, but it's tacky enough that it's going to keep it in place. And the fact that I'm sweating, it hasn't lifted up yet. And I'm sweating because I refuse to turn on the AC because it's too loud up in here. But yeah, so far so good. I would highly recommend it. And I haven't seen any other reviews. I try not to be biased. So that's why I don't look at the other girls' reviews. I've been like, click, ignoring them because I want to see it for myself. And honest review, I'm not going to be starstruck. If I don't like something, I'm just saying I don't like it because I'm using my hard-earned money to purchase these items. I don't get it on PR, anything like that. So to try for size, I would try other things. Otherwise, what I have now is what I need and what I am actually enjoying. So I'm Mrs. G from Mrs. G Living. Peace. We are out. Stay cold. Bye.